Welcome to the Full Stack Developer Series. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore what it means to be a full stack developer and how you can combine front-end and back-end development skills to build complete web applications from start to finish. A full stack developer is a professional who has the ability to build complete web applications by working on both the client side and server side. On the front end, they create the user interface that people interact with directly. On the back end, they build the server logic, databases, and application programming interfaces that power the entire system. This versatility makes full-stack developers incredibly valuable in the job market. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with in their web browsers. Front-end developers use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create responsive, interactive user interfaces. They also work with modern frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Angular to build complex, dynamic applications. Key responsibilities include designing responsive layouts, creating interactive features, optimizing performance, and ensuring the application works consistently across all browsers. The goal is to deliver an excellent user experience. Back-end development is all about the server-side logic and infrastructure that makes applications work behind the scenes. Back-end developers use programming languages like Python, Node.js, Java, and C# to build the core functionality. They manage databases to store and retrieve data, create application programming interfaces or APIs that allow the front-end to communicate with the server, implement authentication systems, and handle business logic. The back-end ensures data is processed securely and efficiently. In the industry, developers often use specific combinations of technologies called stacks. The MERN stack combines MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. The LAMP stack includes Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. The Django stack uses Python with Django framework, PostgreSQL database, and React or Vue.js for the front end. Each stack has its own advantages depending on project requirements. Understanding multiple stacks makes you a more versatile developer. The full stack development process follows a structured workflow. First, you plan and design the application by gathering requirements and creating wireframes. Next, you build the front end by creating user interface components and pages. Then you develop the back-end by creating the server, APIs, and database. After that, you integrate the front-end with the back-end to make them work together. Following integration, you thoroughly test the application and debug any issues. Finally, you deploy the application to a production server so users can access it. To succeed as a full-stack developer, you need both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include proficiency in programming languages, understanding of database design and SQL, knowledge of web protocols like HTTP and REST APIs, and understanding of security basics including authentication and encryption. Equally important are soft skills like clear communication to explain technical concepts, strong teamwork abilities to collaborate with designers and project managers, excellent problem-solving skills for debugging and optimization, and a commitment to continuous learning as technologies constantly evolve. After establishing yourself as a full-stack developer, you have several career direction options. You can specialize as a front-end specialist, deepening your expertise in user interface design, design systems, and user experience optimization, focusing on frameworks like React and Vue. Alternatively, you can become a back-end specialist, mastering server architecture, database design, and system scalability. Or you can remain a full-stack expert, building complete applications and taking ownership of end-to-end development projects. Each path offers unique opportunities and rewards based on your interests. There are numerous resources available to learn full-stack development. YouTube offers free tutorials and complete project walkthroughs from experienced developers. Official documentation for frameworks and libraries provides comprehensive guides and API references. GitHub hosts open-source projects where you can study real-world code and learn best practices. To practice effectively, build your own projects from scratch to apply what you learn. Join developer communities to collaborate and learn from other developers. Participate in code reviews to receive constructive feedback on your code, which helps you improve faster. The full-stack development field is rapidly evolving with several important trends. Cloud computing platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are becoming essential for deploying applications. Artificial intelligence integration is increasingly important, with developers adding machine learning capabilities to applications. Mobile-first development ensures applications work seamlessly on smartphones and tablets. Microservices architecture breaks applications into smaller, independent services that are easier to maintain and scale. Containerization using Docker and Kubernetes is revolutionizing how applications are deployed. Real-time systems using WebSockets and GraphQL subscriptions are enabling live data updates. Let us summarize the key points about full-stack development. First, full-stack developers possess a versatile skill set covering both front-end and back-end technologies. Second, full-stack developers are in high demand across the tech industry because they can build complete applications independently. Third, continuous learning is essential as technologies and trends evolve rapidly. Fourth, full-stack developers have end-to-end ownership of projects, from initial design to final deployment. Fifth, developing strong problem-solving skills through debugging and optimization is crucial. Finally, you have career flexibility to specialize in front-end or back-end development, or remain a generalist building complete applications. Start your full-stack development journey today by choosing a technology stack and building your first project.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.